Welcome to Wheels Up NFTs, a mission-based NFT collection launching on the Cardano blockchain at midnight tonight. Today is October 7th, 2021, and I'm super excited. I want to introduce you to each of the members of the team and show you the website, some feedback. We initiated this project as one of the first mission-based NFTs to go on the socialgiving.io site. And if you don't know what that is, it is where companies, businesses, entrepreneurs, large organizations have the ability and the framework to launch NFTs with a real-world mission. That's why I'm out here in the real world giving you this statement, because I absolutely have passion for this project. This is kind of like a lifelong passion to enhance social connectedness. This is one step in doing that on the blockchain and helping businesses take social responsibility and use NFTs as a launch pad to spreading their social mission. So anyway, I hope you enjoy hearing from each of the members of the team. Check out the website. There are only 100. There are 10 super special NFTs, okay? Don't kill the messenger on this when you see what they are. And if you want to check them out, go to WheelzupNFT.com, and the gallery opens at midnight tonight.
Hey everybody, my name is Adrian Golden. I am the artist on the Wheels Up NFT collection. Excited to be able to talk with you a little bit about creating these fun, unique riders we have here. We have 100. They are super fun to look at. They're just so interesting. They were so fun to create. We just invite you to be a part of this. And let me tell you, each rider, the more you look at them, you'll find little things on them that it's just things to explore and just little hidden gems. And we just hope that you enjoy them. And we invite you to be a part of this. What Cheryl has going on here with this project is so much more than just artwork or NFTs. It's an overall sense of staying connected, being a part of something, giving back, and we just really are super excited about it. And we just hope that you enjoy looking and being a part of this experience with us. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Cambria. I'm a student at UVA studying computer engineering, and I really enjoyed working on the Wheels Up NFT project with Cheryl. I acted as sort of an advisor. I worked a lot on documentation and organization, and also brainstorming for the future of Wheels Up NFTs, possibly new campaigns. But yeah, I really enjoyed working on it, and I'd love to see the progress after it launches and in the future.
So here it is, the website. If you guys get a chance, head over to WheelzupNFT.com and it will take you to this site. So once you get here, you basically only have two things. You can purchase the NFTs by either first clicking on the wallet. If you say connect wallet, it will bring you this drop down. You can click on this connect wallet and it will prompt you to install the extension. We'll go ahead and do it here. It will prompt you to download the Nami Wallet. I already have the Nami Wallet installed, and you'll know that because you come up here to the extension drop-down list and you can see Nami Wallet. You click on Nami Wallet once you install it, and you can see that you would be able to see your asset here. And from here, you would basically, so once you install the Nami Wallet, so let me go back. Basically, there's a video here that explains how to download and install your Nami Wallet. There'll be a video here on how to actually follow through with the purchasing of the NFT using the wallet. And each NFT costs 50 ADA, whatever the value is at that time. It's 50 ADA. So let me close this out. You can scroll down, you can click on the gallery. The gallery is not open until midnight tonight, but I'll give you a sneak peek into what it looks like. This is what you're going to find when you click on the gallery. There are some special ones interspersed, but they all cost the same, just this initial minting. They are all only 50 ADA. And you can scroll down, you can find the rider that you want, and when you're ready to purchase, you will click on the rider, and you will have an address that you will send your ADA to, and you will receive back your NFT. Now I want to show you real quick what the NFT will look like once you purchase it. I'm going into test mode here just in my wallet to show you an example, but when the NFT comes back, it will appear as a graphical representation. So this is just a sample that I was testing prior to launching, and so this is what it'll look like. And when you click on it, it will give you the policy ID where it's been minted on the blockchain. It's now ownership of you, and you'll be able to click on that and go check out the metadata associated, so the properties of each NFT. So that's what it'll look like right there. So I'll go ahead and change that back. Okay, so you can scroll down, find your favorite character, and there you go. We have some crazies. We have some absolute stunning graphics inside here, and each one has such intricate detail and accessories either on their body that they're holding or part of their bike. So if you want to learn a little bit more, you can watch this video. The actual collection itself was inspired by having a blackout in the world, a year-long blackout. These characters are riding EMP resistant bikes that they find each other through the cities after the year-long blackout, and they help rebuild the world. It's all about working together. And these are the properties that you can have any number of. These are some Cardano NFT network. We're minting using ADA tokenizer. You will be able to resell on EX NFT marketplace. You'll be able to find the ranking of your NFT on OpenSea NFT. And our gift to you is free airdrop of the upcoming in 2022 ESC token, which is a community token for social good. And you can kind of look through the roadmap here. The team, which you heard from, Adrian, Cambria, little video from Austin. The mission, check out, stay tuned for how we're going to be doing the mission using Fracata.io, which actually I don't believe is officially launched yet. It's the ability to fractionalize an NFT for voting purposes. And if you have any other questions or frequently asked questions are down below, if something's not answered or you're interested, you can drop a comment on this video or you can email us and we'll go ahead and add your question and answer to the screen. And don't forget, connect with us on social, follow on Twitter. We have a Discord, but we're primarily on Twitter. Hope you guys enjoy. Launches at midnight.
The sun is shining. I knew it would. The world's a playground. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.